Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to Trading Talk episode 280. In this episode, we take a look at the market environment, often referred to as choppy. While some traders, notably trend traders, may not like markets like this, as system traders, we can diversify by having strategies which do suit this type of price action. Our senior trader Matt shows you how you can do it, with the end product being a templated system you can test for yourself. It's only February, but we're already completely booked out for our March, June and September in-house workshops this year. We do have a December workshop, which is usually reserved for international traders who are attending our algo conference. So if this is you and you'd like to join our December workshop, please let us know ASAP. As you can see, seats are filling up fast. In relation to the algo conference, we'll be announcing our first speaker next Wednesday, the 1st of March, and you'll never guess who it is. If you can guess and you attend the conference, tell you what, I'll shout you lunch on the day. Just email me your guesses. Let's see if anyone gets it. That's all for now. Hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.